So you guys know that I changed completely not a while ago my skincare, beauty. I'm into going towards changing makeup as well, but not yet there. But skincare, I changed completely. There is like 95% skincare that I use is only natural for my health, my own reasons. And if you're this person that you're having any tiny little health issues, I will highly recommend you to go towards natural skincare. Today I want to share with you guys my favorite skincare beauty products that I've been using and I've been really loving. Long story short, I do have Hashimoto's thyroiditis, which is autoimmune disorder, and after really a lot of research and studying on my own and other studies, other people, other cases, skincare, body care, household products, everything what you apply on your skin, where you live in, what kind of environment. In studies been proven that yes, it is very important that the skin absorbs what you apply on the skin, and over many time, over many years, if we keep using products that is loaded with aluminum, like especially all the deodorants are loaded with aluminum, mercury gets into our blood system, into everywhere in the organs, and bad things happen. All of these products doesn't have perfume, doesn't have parabens or any harmful ingredients that can affect or carcinogenic or can impact our body organs negatively. So my first favorite, this is from WHAMISA. It is Purifying Glow Pad. This is the only one exfoliant pads that I really love. It's really good. Exfoliates the skin beautifully. I really honestly like it, and it's almost done. It's just really strong, guys. I really like this exfoliating pads. All the list of all the products that I'm talking today, guys, gonna be down under this video in the description box. Skin lives very beautifully, exfoliated, not too crazy. You can exfoliate. If you have extremely sensitive skin, you can wash it off, or if you don't have sensitive skin, you just can exfoliate, wait half an hour and go to bed, or either apply cream after half an hour and stuff like this. Kind of I like, because it leaves this kind of creamy feeling after exfoliate, and next day of course SPF, and this is really amazing. My next favorite, that it is a retinol. This is Drunk Elephant. I know this is a little bit expensive, but this is the only one natural retinol on the market today, right now, that really does wonders, that really works well. It's so freaking strong, and it is natural. When people say to me natural products, natural ingredients don't give you any results and doesn't give any benefits for the skin, I'm like, freaking try this. Try Drunk Elephant and you will see how freaking this amazingly works. I'm still building my way up because it's so strong. I start having redness and peel, which is not good, but ingredients, all the ingredients, guys, I have boxed, and even before making this video I went through and I checked like all the ingredients. Wheat amino acids, Ananas sativus, which is pineapple fruit extract, Berberis vulgaris root extract, Citrullus santus, which is watermelon fruit extract, Pyrus malus, which is apple fruit extract, cocoa, it's just like everything natural, and this does amazing thing. You need such a little thing. You need just like, for example, for their entire face, this amount of retinol is just enough. This retinol can basically last for you a year. I really love it. Before bed, for anti-aging reason, for tightening the skin, for brightening your skin. Oh my god, I love it. You can even use this one day and wait 2 days and then do micro needling again. Wait 2 days, use this one, micro needling. Now SPF, very important. Sun protection. If you're using acid, if you're using retinol, micro needling, you must apply SPF for the next 3 days for sure. Doesn't matter, winter, summer, day, night, you're at home, outside, all the time. And SPF is the #1 product that you should be using, because sun is really aging us, giving hyperpigmentation. I never usually pay much attention into the sunscreen until I got my car, and I got my first car just a year ago when I was 32. It's so funny, I never had a car in my life. And I'm driving, and I live in Miami, and I'm driving and I'm using SPF only in the morning, and then I think it's enough only in the morning. And then I started, because when I'm driving, sun is hitting all the time my left cheek, and I'm like, notice, I took mirror one day, I'm like, my cheeks look different. This looks much older than this one. This has more pigmentation, this doesn't. This has more bumps and uneven skin tone and texture, and this has beautiful skin texture and tone. And I'm like, the only one thing that I can notice I never had before I started driving, and the sun is always in this cheek. This is when I realized that the sun protection is really, really, really important until you don't see on yourself. So this is Botanical Sunscreen, tint and sunscreen, SPF 50, Australian Gold. This is natural line. Not all products from Australian Gold are natural, but this, they have natural line. It's just one thing, if you're very, very dry, if you have dry skin, this is not going to work. This is for oily, normal, or combination skin. Really, really good product, and it's really inexpensive. Next product that I have, I really, really enjoy, natural ingredients, a mask, brightening, moisturizing, lifting mask from Pharmacy, Honey Potion. This is a honey mask. This smells really like honey. It just makes me want to eat. I'm almost done. If you see just at the bottom a little bit left, I really, really like this mask. It really lasts a long time because I use just once a week. I really, really like natural stuff. To me, just like hands down, I love, especially natural product that work. Not every natural product works. My favorite cream, I am not promoting this, but I honestly can tell you which cream, natural cream, is better than this one. Brightening, evening skin tone, skin texture. My friend had the acne. She used every single day for 7 days. Her acne vanishing away, going away. Her acne scar started disappearing, and she was like, Jim, I cannot believe, actually, without using any tools, without microneedling, without dermabrasion, this cream alone can do such a miracle. She's like, I need to tell to all my friends. It's very beautiful, natural only ingredients. I made formula myself. I have no doubts this is my favorite product from my entire skincare line, from my entire skincare brand. And Genome Beauty, this is 10% vitamin C, squalane repair cream. Love it. Next product that I really, really like, and it's actually finished. Just one thing, they have alcohol. They have alcohol, but at the end, alcohol is not toxic, but the one thing can irritate your skin. So when I was using this, is Burt's Bees Micellar Cleansing Water 3-in-1. I was using this actually when I had like a makeup. I do not wear a lot of makeup, but today I wear makeup. So for example, I will wash my skin with a balm, and then I will wash with my cleanser, which I'm going to talk in a minute, and then I will go with the cotton round to make sure really, really that I remove makeup really, really well. So this removes makeup so well. And sometimes I remove mascara from my lids. I do not put on the lid. I just take cotton round, bend it, and just hold on my lashes and just wipe mascara away. It removes mascara really, really well. All right, next product that I was saying, this is my favorite cleanser besides mine. I don't want to push my products here. I'm just giving shout out to other brands that I really, really like it. This is Susanna Organics Everyday Cleanser. Organic, certified toxic free cleanser that is very milky, very soft, very moisturizing. It doesn't strip your skin barrier, it doesn't destroy anything. So if you don't wear some days makeup, just cream and nothing else, with this one, cleanse is so beautifully. I really, really like it, and it's toxic free, only natural organic ingredients. Next product that I just purchased and I already tried, this is from Whole Foods 365 waterproof eye makeup remover. Also beautiful ingredients, doesn't have no added fragrance. Ingredients more or less, like I will say 95% natural. Water, aloe, berberis, capryc, organic, Hamelis, Virginia, witch hazel water, green tea leaf extract. So this is eye makeup remover, and it's really not expensive. I believe 10 bucks, and this lasts really long time. Next natural product that I have, this is from Burt's Bees lip scrubber. I never used lip scrub ever in my life, but the other day I was in Target. I'm like, okay, let's try, let's see. Everybody's raving about this, and this is such a funny thing. This lip scrub slash balm is made from sugar, natural ingredients. It smells like honey, something like this. So you put on your lips, you scrub, 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 and this sugar actually melts, and that's it. Then you have a lip balm. So I use this before bed. And as you see, guys, I know you see, this is halfway already. For my sexy body today, I have only natural ingredients. All right, this is Suzanne Organics body butter. Cocoa mango, body butter, which only natural ingredients, and you don't need really much. You take a little bit like this, for example, for the, you know why? Because consistency is very thick and you need very, very little to cover the entire place. You see, it's still like white. I have to transfer over there. It doesn't leave oiliness, but you know what? I don't like it. She puts so much essential oils in her products that everything smells like vanilla. I believe she likes vanilla a lot, but I can't stand vanilla. But this is the only one natural, like completely 100% natural product for the body that I really, really like. What else is for the body? Deodorant, which I buy, is SCHMIDT'S Ylang Calendula natural deodorant. I also have another one now, charcoal, I believe. Guys, it's very, very important. The most important product that it should be healthy in your entire beauty, skincare / hair care, body care collection product, it should be deodorant, because all these products that you buy in the drugstore, all these cheap brands for $4, $3, $2, it's really bad. They all loaded with aluminum, mercury, and everything goes through your armpit. So basically when you sweat, when you apply deodorant, everything goes in. And it's been linked actually that in the woman breast cancer tissue, being found aluminum, which comes from deodorant, and it's really, really not good. So this is my favorite. I buy from Marshall's, $4.99. You can get this in Whole Foods also, but it's believe it's gonna be like $8, $9. So from Marshall's is $4.99. Only natural ingredients. Next product that I like is toothpaste. I changed long time ago. Fluoride is not good. It's been linked to autoimmune disorders and stuff like this. So basically this is $3.65. Fluoride-free toothpaste, tartar control whitening, made with xylitol, made without dyes, made without sodium lauryl or lauryl sulfate. Dry shampoo is just like a powder. It's a little bit more complicated to use it because you have to pour in your hand, in your palm, then you have to like shake your, like before fight or before lifting the bar in the Olympics, rub your arms and then the hands, and then apply in the hair, which spray much more easier, but this is the only one natural. Arrowroot powder and betonin. That's it, there's nothing else. All natural ingredients. My next favorite, this is the same for the shampoo, the same is for conditioner. This is Canacel Herbal Conditioner Moisture Hit from Andalo Naturals. So it is without GMO, without phthalate, no gluten, no silicone, no sulfate, no paraben. Ingredients, for example, lobarbadenis, cannabis sativa, hemp seed oil, magnesium ascorbate phosphate, which is vitamin C, cannabis sativa hemp, cell culture extract, parky shea butter, hydrolyzed rice protein. And my favorite mask actually is different brand, because this one is so moisturizing and leaves your hair so silky. Right now my hair is a little bit messy. I didn't use this one. I should. When I use this, my hair is so silky and so soft and everything. And I also don't try to not destroy my hair. I'm not blow drying. I don't use any tools. I just air dry like this, and it's a little bit messy, but it's natural. So this is Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. They have many types of masks for the hair, but only this one I like the most because it leaves my hair so freaking soft and so silky and so smooth. I love it so much. And the last thing that is very, very interesting, I do have for the mouth Kiko coconut oil pulling sachet, formulated coconut oil mouthwash for a happy, healthy mouth. So I've been pulling with coconut oil for a really long time, and this is what is the best part. You actually can, if you're traveling somewhere for 2 days, you only take these two. I do not do this every single day. I do like every other day when I have time, because obviously for this you need like 10-15 minutes, but it's really, really comfortable. And if you know, guys, coconut oil, when you swish it in your mouth, you swish it, basically you removing from your tongue, from your teeth, from your gum, all the bacteria. And with oil, because oil is attracting all the bacteria, and after that you swish it, you spit it out in your garbage, not in your sink, in the garbage, and then just brush your teeth and your mouth and everything, and sort of like your mouth detox through this. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Please leave me down below, what is your 1 or 2 favorite natural skincare, beauty, hair care, body care product? I want to know. I want to purchase something that I might not know, that I really need to know. Thank you guys so much. I love you so much. I send you so many kisses and so many hugs and so much positive energy. Please subscribe, click the red button, subscribe if you haven't, and I see you in my next video. Bye.